Hi, in front of me I have AMAZFIT Bip S, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications on this device. To enable the phone notifications on our watch, we need to open the Zap app on our phone. In the Zap app, we need to tap on the profile icon right here, then select our AMAZFIT Bip S from the list of devices, and here we need to tap on More. This one, More. And right here we have, for example, incoming call. Let's tap on it. And we can enable or disable the notifications for incoming calls by tapping on this switch right here. We can disable it or enable it like this. We can also enable or disable the option to show the contact information. So if somebody is calling you, if you disable this option, you won't see any contact information on your watch, but if you enable it, you will see the information on who's calling you. And below we have delay alerts, and basically we can enable or disable the delay. And once you enable it, you can tap on set delay to change the duration of the delay, basically by swiping up and down on the screen and selecting one. Then you can tap OK to confirm. Once you're done with calls, you can go back and we can tap on app alerts, and here to basically enable the app alerts, we need to tap on this message if you have it right here, this error. Tap on it, then tap OK, and now we need to allow the notification access for the Zap app. To do it, select the Zap app from the list, then tap on the switch next to allow notification access and tap allow to confirm. Once it's enabled, we can go back by tapping on back, and now we can turn on or off our app alerts, and we can basically customize them. To turn it off or on, you can tap the switch like this. You can also enable or disable the option to only receive the notification when the screen is off, and you can enable it or disable it. And below we have selected apps with alerts. Basically, if you have these apps or some apps on this list right here, you will get the notifications from these apps on your watch. You can tap on the app. Oh, never mind, you can't tap on it. You can tap on manage apps right here at the bottom. And here we have the list of apps we can enable or disable the notifications for. For example, we can uncheck the WhatsApp, and when we go back, it's gonna disappear from this list. That means that the notifications for this app are disabled, and you can of course enable notifications for different apps like that. As you can see, now we have more apps on the list, and the notifications for these apps are enabled. Okay, let's go back. And last thing, from the phone notifications, we have incoming SMS. We can tap on it, and here basically we can enable the notifications for the SMS alerts. To do it, you can tap on the switch right here to enable it, or you can disable it by tapping on it again like this. And once you're done, you can go back. And that's how you enable the phone notifications on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.